Good morning everyone. Thank you for being here today. I am Radhika Madhubhashini from e-commerce and e-marketing class. I am going to present my individual presentation on e-marketing strategy analysis of L'Oreal. First of all, I would like to give you an overview of L'Oreal. L'Oreal is the #1 cosmetic company in the world, gaining a sale over 27.99 billion euros in 2020. It was established in Paris, France in 1909 by Eugene Paul Louis Color. The company has a product range of skincare, hair care, sun care, fragrances and hygiene products. L'Oreal brands are mainly classified under 4 categories as consumer products, L'Oreal Luxe, professional products and active cosmetics. It has some leading beauty brands like Garnier, Maybelline New York, NYX Cosmetics, Essie and so on. It's the world's largest cosmetic industry, 10th most ethical company in the world, profit of euro 5.20 billion, 500 patents registered in 2020, staff around 85,000, 35 brands, network around 150 countries. Let me move on to the L'Oreal's unique purpose, goal, strategy and main competitors. Its vision is "Because I am worth it." Its mission is offering all women and men worldwide the best of cosmetics innovation in terms of quality, efficacy and safety. Strategy is universalization, the globalization that captures, understands and respects differences. The top competitors of L'Oreal are Avon, Estee Lauder, Coty, Unilever, Revlon, Chanel and Dior. Next, I'll focus on how L'Oreal has dominated the global cosmetic industry in last few years. If you look at this first graph, you can clearly see the compound annual growth rates of leading cosmetic companies between 2018 to 2021. L'Oreal has gained 11% of the highest compound annual growth rate, exceeding all other companies. Let's turn to the second graph, which shows the brand value of leading personal care brand worldwide in 2020. L'Oreal has become the top leading brand with the highest brand value of 29,468 million US dollars by beating all other brands. So, the most important question is, how did L'Oreal achieve a huge success and what led to the significant increase of its sales and brand value? Implementing effective e-marketing strategies is the answer. L'Oreal used several successful e-marketing strategies in an outstanding way. The first one is influencer marketing. A beauty squad of 6.35 million subscribers on YouTube and 5 million followers on Instagram has undertaken the role of long-term influencers of L'Oreal. 5 United Kingdom-based beauty bloggers with different ethnicities and backgrounds joined with L'Oreal. The benefit about partnering with several influencers is each one focus on different aspects of their beauty. The second one is social media marketing. Modiface is the main digital tool used with augmented reality and artificial intelligence to try on makeup and hair color using the camera on phones. It uses the technology which has a face tracking algorithm that can detect 63 features on your face and can try 42 looks. First it was allowed to try on Instagram, Snapchat and Google Duo, and later onto the other social media platforms. The third one is search engine optimization. Search engine optimization helps to develop the visibility from every sort of engines. When somebody wants to choose a good foundation, lipstick, concealer or a shampoo, he or she can type the keyword in Google, Yahoo or Bing, and then it shows all the related products of L'Oreal. Finally, I'll go on the highlights of search engine optimization figures. Total visits were 930,100, pages per visits 3.53, average visit duration 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Website visitors in 2018 1.2 billion. Traffic of L'Oreal.com in 2021 has risen by 6.67%. This brings me to the end of my presentation. Thank you everyone.